Welcome, Riley Bear, and hello to all our friends. Let's read a story. Welcome to Storytime with Nana Lisa. I'm so happy you're here. Each day, I read a story to Riley Bear and all her wonderful friends from all around the world, including you. So grab your favorite sweater, snuggle up, and let's read together. It's Storytime with Nana Lisa. A Storytime with Nana Lisa presentation of Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark," so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by. Sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters Wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans, wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Good night, Moon. Good night, stars. Good night, Riley Bear, and friends wherever you are, whether you're close to us, near or far. Nana Lisa loves you just as you are. So give me a hug and squeeze me tight. Here's a good night kiss. Let's tuck you in just right. You're oh so special and oh so sweet. Have good dreams and sleep in peace. Until we meet again, dear Riley Bear and friends, good night. I love you. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. New friends are joining us every day. And guess what? Each time you like the video, we get a new friend to read with us. And remember, don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll always know when a new story is waiting for you. Hope to see you soon.